She, like the fragrant taste of rain, rests in my senses, relentless, restless, dripping and diving in taunting drops through my blue sky barren being. And I'm searching for the sign, the smallest cloud split to disintegrate upon the ground, gasping, cracking like the skin of my craving tongue, dry like the veins of a heart. Without love, and I cannot turn the way she feels away from me, like a letter to be said. It is carved in stunning shade.